This video, I will show you how to create a client account or how you can set up a client account and start hire freelancer on Upwork. You can do this in your iPhone or Android phone. Let me show you how. For everyone using Android phone, you want to make sure you go to your Play Store, and then after you open up your Play Store, click on search right here, and you want to make sure you search for Upwork right here. Hit on search and make sure you download and install Upwork Global Inc. After you successfully download and install your Upwork account, hit on open. And then it's going to take you to an interface. I've already logged into my Upwork profile right here. From this profile, we can as well use this profile to create a client account. For that, go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. Then go ahead and click on settings. Click on contact info. Then scroll down right here. Click on new client account. Then at this point here, enter your company name right here. The next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down right here and simply go ahead and click on create client account. So I'm going to click on create client account. Successfully created. It's that simple. So for you to have access to your client account, click on your profile icon right here. Then go ahead and click on your client name right here. And here you go, you have your client dashboard right here. One of the things you need to do in your client dashboard here, you need to make sure you verify your phone number. And at the same time, you need to add your billing method. You can scroll down right here and then make sure your email is being verified and you are done. Then from here, you can start posting job in Upwork to hire a freelancer. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.